Let's see how much this property in Michigan would cash flow as a long-term rental. I use a free software called rentalpeak.com to run the analysis for this property, and you can see for year one, it's projecting the cash flow to be $44 a month, and our key metrics such as cap rate, cash on cash return, total ROI, and like the DSCR loan ratio are all visible here. I ran the analysis for this property, assuming we were gonna buy the property at this asking price of $135,000. But if we wanna change our max purchase offer based on our target cash flow, we can do that with this max offer workbench right here. And you hit calculate max offer with your target monthly cash flow, and you can see what your max offer would have to be in order to hit this projected target. Another really easy way you can increase cash flow on a property is to self-manage. So I ran the analysis assuming that we were going to hire out a property manager, which takes a 10% cut of rent on average. But if you do that yourself and you self-manage this property, you can save this money and pocket it, which would give you another $137 a month in cash flow and over tripling what you have right now. This would make your cash on cash return and total ROI way better as well. One of the most useful things about RentalPeak is the market analysis it does for you. So you can see comparable rental properties, so you can decide based on real data on what fair market rent would be for this home. You can see the top 5 closest ones on a map here as well. And then you can also see appreciation data for this local market. So pulled from Redfin, you can see from Madison Heights what the average appreciation rate was over the last 10 years. And it's important to take this with a grain of salt because pre-COVID appreciation went pretty crazy. You can see what you can kind of expect in those higher interest rate environments, which are more recent years. So you can use this to kind of understand what your home value would appreciate at in this market. If you want to run an analysis like the one I just did, you can go over to rentalpeak.com and we have a free tier here where you can sign up and try our site out.